Today, we're diving into the nuances of Facebook ads, and I've got a critical insight for you. Boosting your posts might seem like a quick fix, but stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand the pitfalls and discover why there's a smarter way to leverage Facebook ads for your real estate success. Hey, I'm Shawn Bell, and I am a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtor's Blueprint, which helps realtors like you generate nonstop leads while on autopilot through Facebook ads. If you're ready to up your Facebook ads game and make every dollar count, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell for future videos. And while we're at it, let's dive in to why you should never click the blue boost button on your Facebook ad. Unless your main goal and only your main goal is to get more eyeballs on a post that you create on your page, then never ever do you want to be clicking on the blue boost button, because that is all it is going to do. It's not going to generate you any leads, which is majority of our goal. It is just going to take that post and it is going to show it to more people, and that is it. Lucky for you, most think that this is the only way to run a Facebook ad, and therefore they don't get results and they actually quit and give up on Facebook ads. But I'm here to tell you there is another way. You can get leads, but the blue boost button is not that way. So to create an actual effective Facebook ad, you need to go to your Facebook page. When you look on the far left, I think this is going to be your left. The camera mirrors me, but I believe that's the left. You're going to look in that menu and there's going to be an option that says Ads Manager. Now, if you don't see it, don't worry. There's going to be another button kind of in the middle-ish area that says See More. And when you click on it, it's going to drop down. It's going to give you more options, and then scroll through there and you should be able to find Ads Manager. From there, you're going to see kind of somewhat maybe looks like a chart or a spreadsheet. And in there, there's going to be a green Create button, and you want to click on that button. In the next screen, there's going to be a window that pops up and it's going to give you 6 objectives, and the one you want to select is leads. And this is us telling Facebook saying, hey, I'm going to pay you money. In return, I want you to get me leads. And this is the most effective way to run a Facebook ad in order to generate yourself some leads. So what this does, and is the beauty for you as a realtor, is when you create an ad, you want to offer something up of value. And what I always do is I offer up a free list of homes. So I say, here's the list of homes in a specific neighborhood under a certain price range. Try to make that price range affordable. And when people see it, it makes them want to click on it to get that list of homes. Now, the beauty, like I said, is because we're going to set up this Facebook ad in the back end through Ads Manager and we select our objective as leads, Facebook then has us create a form. And within that form, it says, what do you want to collect? So I always select that I want their name, their phone number, and their email address. And the way this works is if you have your ad and somebody clicks on it, they don't get that list of homes right away. In order to get it, they have to put in their name, their phone number, and their email address. So they input that information, they click submit, and Facebook gives them that link right away. From there, you get a lead, and this is how you actually get leads. This is a win-win. So you're giving something of value, and in return, people are giving you their contact information, and now this is a great way for you to build your database as a realtor. And just as you generate more and more leads, there's nothing but happiness and wins coming down the road for you, because you've got a database now that you can nurture and eventually turn into paying customers. So just remember, make sure when you are running these that you are giving something of value. Otherwise, you're not going to get any leads. You're going to be, again, spending money. It's going to be a waste for you. If you do want to see some videos on how to properly run these ads, you can check out some of my prior ones. I actually have some step-by-steps on how to set this up. But if you're more of a follow a guide type of person, hang on, I might have something for you. I have a free guide, and what you can do is you can comment with step by step, and I will send you a free PDF, and that's exactly what it is. It walks you through step by step on how to run an effective Facebook ad. It shows you pictures, says click here, click there, type this in. It does everything for you so you can have it printed in front of you, follow along, and create an effective Facebook ad. So exciting. So to recap, never create a post and click on the boost button, because you are not going to be getting any leads. Create an actual ad, you need to go to the back end, click on Ads Manager, click on that Create, select your objective as leads. From there, put in all the information, which I have in my step-by-step guide. And this is going to be a way for you to effectively generate your own leads, and is the same strategy I use today to help realtors in my group generate nonstop leads every single day. So I can't wait to see you do the same thing. Share your wins, comment, let me know how it goes, and of course, if you have any questions, you can also comment. I'll always be happy to help. And that's that's it for today. If this was of any value, I would hugely appreciate it if you could give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that bell. Do yourself a favor so you're notified of when I post future videos on Facebook ads. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here. Really do appreciate it. Take care, have fun with Facebook ads, and I hope you have a wonderful day.